coast there. So, but it's going to be very difficult to pinpoint.
Here you are. It's Friday, September 3rd, 2 o'clock in the afternoon, p.m. Hurricane Francis is upon us. I'm just going to go outside, take a look at the car before the hurricane hits. Hurricane should be here in the next 12 hours. We should get hurricane winds and rain in the next 3 or 4 hours. I'm here, I'm just watching the news, just waiting for the hurricane to come. We've boarded up Elsa's house and Carrie's house, and Angela and I are going to stay with Carrie and Elsa at Elsa's house. We have water, batteries, food, and clothing, and everything I believe we need for the duration of the hurricane if we lose power and water.
To go on an extended trip anyplace. Now I know you don't want to stay shuttered up. It's okay, maybe the peak outside, stay around your house. But when these come through, you will notice them. They will be strong. In fact, they will be over the severe limit. So what we're looking for the next couple of days is at least the next one day would be these tropical storm force bands, very strong. And then the next 2 days would be likely a weaker.
Outside of Angela and myself apartment. We put tape on the windows. What? Okay. We taped up the window. We couldn't do anything in plywood because we were told that the manager would be upset. So I figured once the hurricane destroys the building, let's see if the manager's upset then and ruins all our stuff, and then we can sue him. How's that for upset? This is
what that will do to us here down here.
Our stuff in the living room.
Peripheral effects of the storm for at least 48 hours to come. Central pressure, this is the good news, it has gone up, 28.38.
This is right now, this is the...
Yesterday about this time, it continues to rise. The higher the pressure, generally the weaker.
The living room.
That's it for now. We'll have more to come, of course, throughout the next couple of days. But certainly in the next hour here. Back to Dwight. Okay, as we continue.
And here's the bedroom, got the computer right here, and a cat. Dresser, bookcase, dresser, file cabinet, humidifier. That's the humidifier. And that's a lamp. Here's the cabinet. And inside the cabinet is my computer. And there's my computer inside the cabinet. Our closet with lots of clothes. Shoes are on the bottom. Shoes on the bottom. Clothes on the bottom. Clothes there on the bottom. End tables. Teddy. Another lamp. Fax machine covered underneath there. That's a fax machine printer, scanner, thank you very much. The kitchen. Disconnected everything. As you see, disconnected everything. A wedding picture of me and Angela, the beautiful Angela. Okay, there's Poochie again. There's a lamp. It's covered up. And there's the window. Here's the desk, and right behind the desk is another window. Possibly rain could come in from here, or also that window, and possibly that window. Those two windows I just shown you are behind the house, the parking garage, or parking lot, I should say. Here we are. This is the outside of the window in the living room that I showed you just a moment ago. And to the right is this window here, which is the bedroom window that we are now looking at from the outside. And this is where I was told the landlord would be upset if I put plywood here because I would ruin his walls. I would imagine the hurricane would do a lot worse. So we're praying that not too much damage happens to that window because it goes right into our living room and along with our bedroom window. This is my car. It's going to be parked here for the duration of the hurricane. I'm hoping that there's no damage after the hurricane is over. Trying to get everything videotaped here. This is the rear of the car. Here's the other side of my car. And as you see, my car is parked along with the other cars. It's currently in between a Mercury and a truck, a Chevy truck. And a Nissan Altima. Videotaping everything just in case to show proof before the hurricane. It is now 2:15 on a Friday afternoon, September 3rd, as the state of Florida awaits Hurricane Francis. This is Angela's car, or Altima. Oh, it's Hurricane Francis.
In the lifestyles of the rich and famous.
In the lifestyles of the rich and famous.
That's what you sound like.
That is the mango tree we saved just moments ago. Tied it down to the palm trees. It's a squall coming in, pushing the leaves everywhere. And let's see. It is Saturday around 3:00 p.m. September 4th. This is just the beginning of the hurricane. And if I look down the street,
Johnson, go out there. Hello.
I'm not. Some of the trees are down. The leaves are down. And one driving by. And you can see all the trees blowing in the wind. We're in front of Elsa's house. The mango tree is now
Joseph
tied.
Turchi.
Yes.
Come inside, please.
I'm being summoned.